Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create a spiral text effect on Illustrator. So, just going to get the text here and I'm just going to color it, I don't know, blue, I guess? Blue and green, but I'll do that later. Okay, here on the green one, I'm just going to change it to green just to give it a little bit more variation. And I'm going to change the font as well here. Right click, create outlines, and I'm just going to make it really big. Go to view, go to, actually go to window, sorry. And find brush. Select it and drag it here. Pattern brush, okay. And okay again. Delete that. Select the ellipse tool. And create a circle with no fill and no outline. Select the text we just made. Go to effect. Distort and transform. Transform. We're going to do 85% on this one. Same with this one. You can adjust the angle to whatever you like. I don't know why that just did that. Oh my god, hold on. I'm not even done. Oh my gosh, I have to redo that. Why did I even press enter? And then make however many copies you want. You can adjust the angle here, like how you want it to be, like spiral, like this maybe. You can even move it to the side a little bit. You can have less copies so it's not too crowded. What, 5? That's not even enough. Okay. Or you can do like 75%, I guess, on both. Press OK, and that's it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.